All right, Cesar, so you got to finally put your hands on it, really take a good look at it. Tell us a few of the features that kind of stand out to you.
Well, for one, I like the expanded metal. You know, keep whatever I throw in there inside the trailer. I like the upgraded axle. The 6,000 pound capacity is really gonna, you know, make this trailer more versatile. For one, you know, the storage box, I can set a generator up here. Whenever we go camping, we like to go camping, so you know, leave it up here, and you know, it'll be up. You know, it can get air, and you know, easy to fill up.
Cool.
Don't have to worry about.
Yeah, so we're talking about a higher capacity, just keeping stuff inside, and then a place for a generator. What are you going to use it for? That's pretty interesting.
Mainly camping. I have an older 4Runner. You know, with it being a smaller trailer, I can haul it with that 4Runner.
Yeah.
You know, thinking about putting a tent. You know, probably not a rooftop tent, because you know that's going to take up some of that usability of the trailer. Just set a tent up there and have take some griddle, a grill.
Yeah, that sounds like a lot of fun. Cool.
Yeah, do a lot of off-road, off-roading. So it definitely help out instead of keeping everything in that 4Runner.
Yeah.
You know, just unhook the trailer and we can go hit some trails.
Awesome. Very cool. Well, congratulations, Cesar.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. My name is Cesar Sanchez, and I just won the Work and Play giveaway, and I just won this brand new Diamond C trailer.